In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Freshbooks account. Navigating through account settings to cancel a service can sometimes be a bit tricky, but no worries. I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you do this with ease. Whether you're canceling because you found a better alternative, no longer need the variety of features Freshbooks offers, or for any other reason, I'll make this process smooth and straightforward for you. First things first, you need to start by logging into your Freshbooks account. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. There, you'll find your profile picture or perhaps your initials if you haven't uploaded a profile image. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, you're going to select Billing and Upgrade. This section of your account dashboard is where you manage your subscription details and payment information. It's a key part of accessing the cancellation features, so go ahead and give that a click. Once you've navigated to the Billing and Upgrade page, you'll need to scroll all the way to the bottom. It's important here to pay attention as there are many options and links that might catch your eye, but what you're looking for is a link that says Cancel Your Account. Don't rush. Ensure you're clicking on the correct link as you don't want to mistakenly change other settings. Clicking Cancel Your Account will initiate the cancellation process. Freshbooks will likely guide you through a series of prompts to confirm your decision. Be prepared to answer a few questions. Often they will ask for feedback on why you're deciding to stop using their service. This is generally standard practice. Businesses like Freshbooks value your opinion, and this feedback can help them improve their services for other customers in the future. After you have followed through with the prompts and provided any requested feedback, continue to confirm the cancellation of your account. Double-check your confirmation to ensure everything looks right and verify that the cancellation has been successfully processed. And with that, you've managed to cancel your Freshbooks account. Keep an eye on your email as Freshbooks might send you a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. Always handy for your records, just in case you need it later. Thanks for sticking with me through this guide. If you have any further questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Freshbooks support. They're there to help you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you're exploring new options for managing your financial details, good luck on your journey.